So this kind of broke my brain a little bit. And to be honest, it's making me ponder. So if you know Rust, the unit type is is a thing. It's basically just void. It's kind of a worthless value that always has the same value, and it's always the same instance. And it's used in the place of void or not returning anything because I needed a marker, and Rust allows you to access that marker. But in Bevy, one of the fun things about this is that the official documentation says the first is the type that you're looking at, but you can actually query the void, aka stare enough into the void long enough, and it will reply back with what you ask for. In this case, I'm getting a query set with the unbreakable objects. And if the current entity is in that set, then lo and behold, it's one of those magical unbreakable objects. But unbreakable objects are kind of rare. And so if you do it this way, you're actually just doing the option of some or none for that object. And you're just sitting there and setting the same none value over and over in the loop, which I don't like. I think that's wasteful. I think it kills perf. I just don't like it. But I gotta say, this is not something that came to mind because this is not something that you often think about. Querying the void and trying to get only items that are unbreakable versus give me all entities that have durability and optionally may be broken. And as you can see, these are effectively the same queries. I can do the same kind of logic in both of these. But the big issue is that in this case, it's an option. So I could get some or none. And here it's, oh, well, I'm just going to do a contains, and that's the actual check. I'm doing an initial operation, but because my queries are more optimized, I can still do a faster check because I'm not creating the same value multiple times. That broke my brain a bit because I'm not really used to querying the void.